Mercedes Benz is providing a sneak peek of the exterior of the new A Class, its entry-level sedan that will come to the US later this year. The world premiere will take place February 2nd in Amsterdam. The car's front end and headlights bear visual similarities to the 2019 CLS 4-door coupe that debuted late last year in Los Angeles. A teaser video Mercedes also released shows a profile of a hatchback, though only the A-Class sedan is coming stateside, and reportedly priced below $30,000. According to Motor Trend, it will sit atop a second-generation MFA platform along with the CLA and GLA. Mercedes teased interior photos back in November, showing a roomy cabin with multi-functional steering wheel and multi-contour front seats with features like climate control and massage function. The A-Class will also be the debut of the new Mercedes-Benz User Experience multimedia system, which incorporates artificial intelligence features, augmented reality navigation and voice control launched by saying "Hey Mercedes." The company says the new A-Class retains its youthful and dynamic character, yet it is also more grown-up and comfortable than ever. We'll have full coverage of the reveal later this week.